it's Fiona Whitten from Oakfield Crafts. For those of you who don't know me, I'm an independent demonstrator based in the UK, where I run classes and all sorts of bits and pieces. I'm sharing with you today a class that I've designed called Christmas in July. I know that there are a fair number of these sorts of classes around, but I am actually away at the moment, and I've had feedback from some customers saying, oh, what am I going to do over the summer? So I thought I would actually design a Christmas in July class that anyone can buy. The only stipulation is that if you want any of the products, you actually have to be living in the UK because it will only ship to UK addresses. But if you would like the PDF and the videos, then that's fine. Those two can be ordered from anywhere in the world. Anyway, so yes, so I have designed this class, and it's based around a stamp set that is in the annual catalogue. It's called Lots of Cheer, and the idea is that you will be making 9 cards, 3 of each design, but within the design there are actually 3 different colorways. So you will actually end up with 9 cards which are completely different in that you can swap and change and do all sorts of things with them. So here's the first one. So this is the cute little snowman from the stamp set. Second one, as you can see, I have used the Noble Peacock foil sheets, and you'll be getting those in your pack. So this one I've used with an embossing folder. It's actually the subtle embossing folder, which is also coming in your kit, and I'll talk more about the kit in a minute. And then this is the third one, and this is the Pretty Peacock foil. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Love this colour. So and you will get full instructions, cuttings and everything, cutting sizes and everything, along with videos which have got hints and tips. But actually you will receive everything, all card bases and stuff will already be pre-cut. So I'll just run through the kit with you. So of course you get the Lots of Cheer stamp set. So here's the snowman, obviously the bauble, and then that's the wreath. And there's just so much you can do with these, depending on whether you want to keep it simple or whether you want to go the whole hog and cut things and do things to your little heart's content. It's really up to you. It's a very versatile stamp set. So that's the stamp set. You will also receive a full pack of the Noble Peacock foils, which are absolutely gorgeous. So this is Old Olive, this is Blueberry Bushel, and this is the Pretty Peacock. You'll notice that in your kit actually you get Night of Navy card bases, and there is a reason behind that, primarily because there isn't a Blueberry Bushel blend which I used a Night of Navy blend. Blueberry Bushel blends don't exist because they're so close to Night of Navy, so I actually used Night of Navy card bases and stuff. So but it works really well. So these are the 3, and you in the pack you actually get 2 sheets of each, so that will come in your kit. You will, because we're using stamping blends, you'll get a Memento ink pad. If you've already got one, then this is one of the things that you can change out for something of equal value if you want to. You'll also receive the subtle 3D embossing folder. Again, if you already have it, or if you would rather do something else, then again this too can be changed out for something of equal value. I'm quite flexible. The only thing I do ask is that please let me know, because obviously I don't want to be placing an order for something and then you turning around and say, oh, I didn't want that one to change it. So I can change it before I put the order in. So I would suggest that you email me and say, hey Fiona, I really want the bundle, but can you please change these things out? So and that will be fine. So that's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 things. And the 5th item is actually, you will get a pack of the Noble Peacock rhinestones. For some reason, probably my lack of packing leaving things to the last minute. I actually forgot to bring my rhinestones with me, so I actually used plain ones and coloured them with my Stampin' Blends, which is actually one of the things that you can do with the alcohol markers, which is really good. So you will actually get a pack anyway of Noble Peacock rhinestones, which are already coloured, and they come in Blueberry Bushel, Gorgeous Grape, Melon Mambo, Old Olive and Pretty Peacock. So they will all work with the kit. So those are the 5 items that will ship to you direct from Stampin' Up. In addition, you will also receive in the mail from me all the pre-cut card bases. So each kit will come like this. So you'll have the 3 card bases, inserts, layers, die cut, circles, whatever you need to stamp. As I said, the only thing that won't come is the dies. Sorry, not the dies. Going nuts here. The foil paper, that won't have been die cut. So you will actually get just full sheets of those. If you have the stitched rectangles, which is what I've used here, then obviously you can go ahead and cut them yourself, or you can just leave that as plain designer foil, which works equally as well. Or if you would like the dies, then again, ping me an email and just say, can you add the dies to my order? And then I will send you an invoice for those. Okay, so those are basically the basic cards, she says. Actually, I'll put that one down because that one's flatter. And I have really fun playing with these and making these. In addition, you'll get the written instructions, and I said also the videos. There'll be a video for each card, so you don't worry, you don't actually have to sit there listening to 40 minutes of me whilst you try and figure out which card I'm working on. I will just work through one card at a time, so you will get 3 separate videos. And this video will also be available. And the written instructions, which will be a PDF, and that will also have all the cutting instructions. Now, if you want to, an option available to you is to add on the Stampin' Blends that I used. And I just dropped one. Okay, well, I'm not going to go ferreting on the floor. But basically, you get Old Olive, Dark and Light. You will get Night of Navy, Dark and Light. You will also get the Smoky Slate, Dark and Light, but I just dropped one on the floor. Pretty Peacock, again, Dark and Light, and that one's gone astray. And then the single one that you will get is just the Pumpkin Pie Dark, which is one that was used for the snowman's nose. So this is just an optional extra, and again, you'll have the option to either go for this or just the basic kit, or if you want, you can just order the PDF. So 3 options. It's entirely up to you. I hope you like the cards, and you'll be able to order the kits as of later today. So without further ado, I'm going to sign off and say happy stamping. Bye.